So I decided to do a tour of his living area, the kennel, before I let him out, and I just put on the Arctic air conditioner on him while I was working in here, even though it's not hot, but I did notice that it was 72 inside the crate. So I wanted to make sure he was nice and cool. That fan that's hanging right there is out of batteries, but that's his 9-night fan when it's hot outside. And it just runs out of batteries naturally, so I don't have to come out and turn it off. This is his solar fan that comes on when it is sunny and warm. This is the crate, or this is not the crate, the ramp. This is his little bathing area with the 2 stones, 1 stone inside and 1 stone outside, so that he can get in and out easy. And also the stone should have a cooling effect to the water. And those are his 2 mirrors back there. And I cleaned out the bottom here and then laid down sawdust. His little food right there has his feeding food, but then it also has worms and oats down in the center, and I covered it up so he has to dig to find it. And my favorite part is this here. The little ice turtle with the some frozen vegetables and some frozen berries, and also some things that aren't frozen in there. There's a lettuce, there's a tiny bit of carrot, there is strawberry, there is grape, there is blackberry and raspberry and peas. And then this from the neighbor, we got this a while ago, and I've been giving it to him slowly, but look how fresh it still is. Look at that freshness. That is garden grown. That is amazing. And I took a bite out of it just to make sure that it was nice and good before I gave it to him. And oh, look how beautiful that is. That is kale. So he should enjoy that. Do you want your berries? Yeah? Are you ready? All right, I'm gonna let him out. He really wants out. There we go. Hi. Hello, Donald. Are you ready to start your day? Are you ready? Is that Donald? Do you want help down? Donald, do you want help down? Do you want to go down yourself? Oh. Raven, can you back up? Go, 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 go. Hello. Hello, my baby. So I will give him the opportunity to come down the ramp himself, but he likes me to carry him down. So, and then once he's down, then I will clean his sleeping area. Are you ready to start your day, baby? Don't go back to bed. Don't go back to bed. Come on, your fan's down here. I set up the fan by his mirror, along with his camera that I use to check on him. His little Arctic air fan, the air conditioner. And then the temperature thing is right there with the baby monitor. Oh, I want him to have the option of coming out of the kennel and enjoying part of his day in the backyard. So this is going to be open while I clean everything up and hose everything off and get it ready for the next day. And then if he still wants to stay in there, then I'll close this and let the other dog out that goes after him. And oh my goodness, he likes the berries. Okay, that's set up for nighttime and fresh water. I get it set up in the morning because if he's ready to go to bed and I don't have it ready and I put him back down here when he wanted to go in his crate, he will go back down here and attack my feet. He's so demanding. He's adorable, but he is demanding. He says, I want to go night-night. Don't you dare put me back down to start my day. He took a little mini bath in here already, and it's a little bit foggy now. He wants to enjoy his Arctic air conditioner and his mirror. So I shut the crate and I'm gonna let the dog out. Hello, baby. Hi.